In this video, we're going to show you how to properly use your Ekobrew reusable single-serve coffee filter. To start, you should have your compatible single-serve coffee brewer, your favorite drip or medium ground coffee, and an Ekobrew filter. Pre-filled single-serve filters are designed for the brewer's needles to puncture the capsule. One needle pierces at the top as a water inlet, and the second pierces the bottom as an outlet for the brewed coffee. Our eco-friendly reusable filters are designed to let you use fresh coffee for a better tasting cup to be easily positioned in the brewing chamber. We have a patented base with 2 recesses that allow the filter to be easily positioned in the brewing chamber. Proper orientation protects the filter from the brewer's needles piercing the filter's base. The filter holds up to 12.5 grams of coffee and allows you to achieve a better coffee to water ratio. A better ratio means better tasting coffee. To use, open the Ekobrew filter lid, fill with drip or medium grind coffee to the line. Place the Ekobrew filter in the brewing chamber and be sure that the Ekobrew is flush with the top of the filter holder. Choose your brew setting and brew as you would a pre-filled filter. Remove Ekobrew filter and empty the grounds. As an option for an even quicker cleanup, consider using our companion paper filters. A classic filter works perfectly well on its own, but paper filters offer some nice conveniences and they're biodegradable.